Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I am good. Thank you for asking.
Good. So tell me a bit about yourself.
My name is Sahiba and I am from India.
Okay.
Yes, I am student. I'm in 12th grade right now and I am 17 years old.
And you're how old?
I am 17 years old.
17 years old. Okay. So what are you studying? Are you in high school or university?
I am in high school right now.
Okay, good. And you
Yeah.
have how many more years do you have in high school?
Last year.
Oh, it's your final year.
Yes, I am in 12th grade.
Oh, yes, so right
12th.
at the end. Wow, so we're going to have some life changes coming up then.
Yes, yes.
And what will you do after high school when you finish?
I I will go to the university next year
Mhm.
and I want to become an Islamic scholar. This is my goal.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah. So my all family members supported me right now.
Oh, that's good. Wow.
Yeah. Yeah,
That's
and yeah, my all family members has given me a lot freedom for study. I'm so happy with my
oh,
family.
that's so good, isn't it? That's really supportive.
Yes.
And how many years will you spend at university?
I think 4 or 5, maybe. I don't know.
Okay, so a few years.
Yeah.
Wow. And are you excited to go and study now after high
Yes.
school? Yeah,
Yes.
ready for a new challenge and a new
Yeah.
adventure.
Yep.
And so tell me how long have you been learning English for? Because you have a very good level.
1 month ago.
Only a month.
Yes.
Wow, you speak very, very well.
Yeah. Actually, um I read. I study since primary school.
Okay.
English, yeah. But I spoke English. I speak English 1 month ago.
Wow, so you've only really had a month's experience of
Yes.
talking.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, you speak very, very well.
Mm-hmm.
Very good.
Oh,
And
thank you.
what are your aims? Will you need English for your job in the future?
Yes, for job
So it's very important for you,
and
yeah?
generally use.
And general use, yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. I think because it's the international language, isn't it?
Yes. Yes. English is an important language. Wow. We meet all around after people through the English. Yeah.
Yes,
Like me and you.
absolutely, yeah.
Yeah.
We can
Yeah.
communicate, luckily, which is good, isn't it? And
Yeah.
what is your native language in India? What languages are
Urdu,
spoken in India?
Hindi and Urdu.
Wow, and do you speak both of these languages?
Sorry?
So can you speak both of those languages?
Yes, I speak Punjabi, uh,
Wow.
Hindi, Urdu, Pahari, a lot of languages in India.
Wow, so you're like a proper linguist. You've learned a
Yeah,
lot.
I speak little bit English.
You speak very good English, I would say. Yeah, very good.
Uh-huh.
Wow.
Yeah.
And so what language do you speak with your family? Which of those do you
Sorry?
speak at home? So which of those languages do you speak with your family when you're at
Uh, Pahari, my own
home?
language. Yes. You don't
Right.
know Pahari.
I cannot speak it,
Yeah,
no.
yeah.
I've heard of it though. I've heard of the languages,
Uh-huh.
but Do you know what? One day I really want to travel to India.
India?
It's somewhere I really want to visit. Yeah.
Oh yeah, India is so beautiful country.
Oh, it sounds amazing.
Kashmir. You come in Kashmir, okay?
Okay.
Yeah, Kashmir is a so beautiful place.
Oh.
Yeah.
And the food is amazing.
There is a lot of fruits.
Oh, yum.
Yeah.
Oh, that would be so exciting.
Yeah.
I'll have to start learning the languages in the meantime.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how old are you?
I'm 27.
27?
Yes, 27.
But you look 23.
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
That's a big compliment for me.
Yeah.
Yes, people do say I look younger than I am, which I guess is a good thing. So.
Yes.
Yes, and I'm an English teacher. I live in Spain. So I'm originally from the UK, but I've been living in Spain now for 6 years.
Okay, so you stay alone?
Yes, I'm living alone. Yeah.
Oh.
But I have lots of friends nearby, which is good. So I have a good community around me.
Okay.
But yeah, it was quite difficult at first, quite challenging.
Yes. So you are a student?
I'm not a student, no, I'm a teacher.
Okay. So your profession is a teacher?
Yes. Yeah.
Other than that?
I teach English as a foreign language. I work in a school in Spain. I actually work in a primary school with primary students. So I love it.
You know Spanish language?
I do, yes, I do now.
Oh, wow.
And I also speak a bit of French as well. And so I've done some languages myself in the past. Spanish is a very beautiful language. It's quite fun to speak.
Yeah, I want to learn.
You do, yeah?
Yes.
And have you ever visited Europe before? Have you ever been over traveling to Europe?
No.
No, so maybe one day your language.
Yes, one day I will. Yeah.
Yeah. That's the good thing about languages. I think they open a lot of doors. They give us opportunities that we wouldn't usually have. Yeah.
Okay. So, what's your hobbies?
Good question. Yeah. I really like to play the violin.
Oh wow, violin!
I'm a musician. Yeah, I like playing the violin.
Wow,
and
that's really nice.
Yeah, it's a nice hobby to have. It's very difficult to learn, but once you get the hang of it, it's a good one. And what about you? What do you like to do in your spare time?
In my free time, I like reading.
Oh, good.
I like cooking as well.
Oh, great hobby.
Yes.
And do you cook for your family sometimes?
Yes, actually, I live with my brother.
Okay.
Yeah. So my family is not here. My family, they are living in village right now.
Village. Okay.
Yeah. So,
Wow.
so I will. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, that's really cool. No, cooking is a great hobby to have.
Yes. I'm not good, but.
Oh, I bet you are. I bet you are really.
But my brother liked my food. Oh
well, that's good. That's always good.
Yes.
He's happy.
Yeah. So, do you have any siblings?
I do. I have a brother and a sister, an older sister and a younger brother.
Oh, you are middle.
I'm the middle child. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So time. is up.
All the time is up. So
Yeah.
it was great speaking
It's
to
nice to meet you. See you again. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye bye. You're welcome.